Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to AllCBT. Today we'll be looking at 35 likely NECO GCE Mathematics questions. So stay with us as we walk through them all. First question says, simplify 2 raised to the power 5 times 4 raised to the power 2 divided by 8. Okay, in order to simplify this, the first thought should be, are we going to expand this and expand this, or are we going to bring them to same basis? Now, the ideal thing is to break them down to same basis of 2. So for this, 2 raised to the power 5, we have that already. Then for 4 raised to the power 2, 4 is 2 raised to the power 2. Now applying your power law gives it 2 raised to the power 4, 2 times 2 to make 4. Okay, while for 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Now bringing it back to your equation, we have it as 2 raised to the power 5 times 2 raised to the power 4 over 2 raised to the power 3. Now, at those points, since they're having same basis, we can apply our laws of indices, where multiplication becomes addition and division becomes subtraction. So this, we have 2 raised to the power 5 plus 4 minus 3. Okay, now 5 plus 4 will give us 2 raised to the power 9 minus 3. So this gives us 2 raised to the power 6. So our answer would be 2 raised to the power of 6. If x plus 1 over x equals 3, find x squared plus 1 over x squared. Okay, for this, we have it as x plus 1 over x equals 3. So we have to find the value of this. And in order to get this, we'll simply say square both sides. So when we square both sides, we have it as x plus 1 over x all squared equals 3 squared. Okay, now expanding this, we have x plus 1 over x, we can put this as 1 times x over 1 plus 1 over x equals 3 squared gives us 9. Okay, so let's expand this. Now expanding that, we have x over 1 bracket open x over 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 over x bracket x over 1 plus 1 over x. Okay, now expanding this gives us x squared, this times this will give us x squared plus this times this is like x over 1 times 1 over x. So that gives us 1 plus 1 over x times x over 1. Okay, that gives us 1 plus 1 over x squared. Okay, so with this, we have it as x squared plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over x squared equals 9. Remember, this equals 9. Okay, so now collecting our like terms, we have x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 9. Okay, so this becomes x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 9 minus 2. Okay, so 1 x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 7. So our value for that figure would be 7. Solve 2x minus 1, 3 open bracket 2x minus 1 bracket close equals 4x plus 5. So with this, we use this to multiply what's inside that bracket. So this becomes 3 times 2x minus 3 times 1 equals 4x plus 5. So this gives us 6x minus 3 equals 4x plus 5. So negative crossing over becomes positive, and positive crossing over becomes negative. So this becomes 6x minus 4x equals 5 plus 3. 2x equals 8. So x equals 8 over 2, which is 4. So the value of x is 4. The sum of angles in a pentagon is, now, what's a pentagon? The question is, what's a pentagon? Now, a pentagon is a polygon that has 5 sides. Okay? It has 5 sides. So if we know that a pentagon has 5 sides, and the formula for knowing sum of angles is n minus 2 bracket 180. So where n is the number of sides, this becomes 5 minus 2 times 180. Okay, this is 3 times 180, which gives us 540. So the sum of angles in a pentagon will be 540 degrees. Find the fifth term of the sequence. Okay, now we have to ask, is this a geometric sequence or an arithmetic sequence? Now let's look at it. Okay, what's the difference between the second term and the first term? That's 4. So this likely geometric sequence, we have 6 divided by 2 to give 3. 18 divided by 6 to give 3. So that's a geometric sequence where, because we have a common ratio of 3. So now, learn that our Tn equals ARn minus 1. This becomes our A in this case is 2 times R is 3. N is the fifth term we are looking for, 5 minus 1. So this gives us 2 times 3 raised to power 4, which is 2 times 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 9, 81. So 2 times 81 is 2, 162. So our fifth term will be 162. A number is increased by 200, by 20%, sorry, and becomes 120. The original number is, okay, now what is 20%? If our original number is x, okay, so our increase of 20% to be x plus 20% to give 120. Okay, so this, so we can say this to be 120%. Okay, so this becomes x equals 120% minus 20%, which is 100%. So our x is 100. So our x, the value of x is 100. Okay, so we can go ahead to prove that. So if we have 20% of 100, that is 20. Okay, because this will be 20 over 100 times 100 over 1, giving us 20. So 20 plus 100 gives us 120. So our original value is 100. Factorize x squared minus 5x plus minus 24. X squared minus 5x minus 24. Okay, so for this we have our x. Now what are the factors of 24 that would give us 5? Okay, we have factors of 24 as 8 and 3. We have 6 and 4. Okay, but we also have 1 and 24, but that's not close to 5. The closest is 3 and 8. But now, since this is negative, okay, so this is negative, how do we get our answer here? Yeah, so we consider 8 minus 5 will give 8 minus 3 will give us 5, but 8 times 3 is plus 24. So if we put our negative in a bigger sign, now minus 8 times 3 will give us minus 24, and minus 8 plus 3 will give us minus 5. So our factors will become x minus 8, x plus 3. This will be our factor. If log 10 base 5 equals this, find, okay, we have log 10 5 equals 0.6990, and we have to find log 10 2 5. Now we can turn this to be log 10 5 raised to power 2. So this becomes 2 log 10 5, and this has been given us as the value of this. So this becomes 2 times 0.6990, okay, which gives us 2 times 0.6990 gives us 1.398. So 1.3980, if we like, would be our answer. The midpoint of 2 and 4 and 6, and now we're looking at midpoint. Okay, formula for midpoint, we have midpoint is x1 plus x2 and y1 plus y2 over 2 over 2. So here is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is 2 plus 6 over 2, 4 plus 10 over 2. So this is 8 over 2 and 14 over 2, which when broken down is 4 and 7. So our midpoint will be 4 and 7. Find sine. If sine theta is 3 over 5, what is cos? Sorry, 5 over 13. What is cos theta? Okay, looking at our Pythagoras theorem, we have sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So we are told that our opposite is 5, hypotenuse is 13. So if hypotenuse is 13, let's assume this is our theta, so opposite is 5. So we have applied Pythagoras rule, 13 squared plus 5 squared, so 13 squared minus 5 squared equals adjacent squared. So 13 squared is 169 minus 25, which is adjacent squared. Okay, this is 144 equals adjacent squared. So adjacent equals root 144, which is 12. And we know that cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this adjacent is 12, hypotenuse is 13. So our cos theta will be 12 over 13. Okay, the probability of getting an even number when a die is thrown is, now what is the probability of getting an even number? Now let's look at our numbers. For a die is equiprobable. It has same probability for all numbers to occur. Alright, now how many even numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3. So probability of even is 3 over total number 6, which is 1 over 2. So the probability is 1 over 2. Solve. We have x squared minus 8. 2x squared minus 8 equals 0. Okay, to solve this, we divide both by 2. 2x squared over 2 minus 8 over 2. X squared minus 4 equals 0. So this becomes x squared equals 4. So x equals root 4, which is plus or minus 2. So our x equals plus or minus 2. The surface area of a cube of side 4 cm is, now I want to talk about surface area for cube. We have our formula as 6L squared. Now our L squared is 6 times 4 times 4. Okay, so that will give us 6 times 4 times 4. So that gives us 96 cm squared. So that will be the total surface area. Simplify 3a squared b times 2ab squared. 3a squared b times 2ab squared. So 3 times 2 will give us 6a cube b cube. So that would be 6a cube b cube. If y varies inversely as x, so we say y varies inversely as x, and y is 10 when x is 2, find the value of y when x is 5. Okay, so for this, we have to introduce a constant of proportionality. So this becomes y equals k over x. Alright, now when y is 10, 10 equals k over 2. Okay, so now let's find the value of k. 10 times 2 equals k, which gives us 20. So our connecting formula will become y equals 20 over x. Okay, now they say we should find y when x is 5. So y equals 20 divided by 5, which gives us 4. So the value of y when x is 5 is 4. The sum of the first 10 natural numbers is, okay, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, let's see. 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 50, 55. Some of the first 10 natural numbers will be 55. If 5x minus 3 equals 2x plus 9, find x. So we have 5x minus 3 equals 2x plus 9. So this becomes 5x minus 2x equals 9 plus 3. 3x equals 12. X equals 12 over 3, which is 4. So the value of x is 4. Convert 125 to 0.125 to a fraction. So now, in converting this to a fraction, what we'll do, how many digits we have here? We'll introduce 3 zeros. This point becomes a 1, and we add 1, 2, 3 zeros since we have 3 digits. So this becomes 125 over 1, 1, 2, 3. Now let's break it down. Okay, 125 divided by 5, 125 divided by 25 gives us 5. 5 here gives us 1000 divided by 25 gives us 40. Okay, 5 here 1, 5 here 8. So our answer will be 1 over 8. The value of root 81 plus root 49 is, now what is root 81? We know that root 81 equals 9 and root 49 equals 7. So this becomes 9 plus 7, which gives us 16. So our answer will be 16. If a triangle has 3 cm, size 3 cm, 4 cm, and 5 cm, it is what type of triangle will it be? Okay. Normally, we know that we are told that a triangle that has 3 different sides is an isosceles triangle. True. But now we need to evaluate another aspect of it. Now, these 3 fig numbers, do they obey Pythagoras rule? Now, if they obey Pythagoras rule, then that means this triangle is not an isosceles triangle, but a right angle triangle. So let's see. If they obey Pythagoras rule, that would be 5 squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. 5 squared is 25 equals 3 squared is 9 plus 16. So 25 equals 25. So you see, since it's obeying Pythagoras rule, that means this triangle is a right angled triangle. But
Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched. To see more content as that, prepare you for your upcoming exam, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notification. Also, remember that you can use the comment section to send us your questions or your inquiries, and we are happy to take them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.